Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So straight off the bat, this video is a little bit different. You would already know that from the title of this video. And let's not go beat around the bush, let's just get straight into it. So from the title of this video, there is a big change coming to the channel as you know it. And what that is essentially a complete channel rebrand. In terms of the content that I'll be creating, it will be very much focused on one niche, which is cars and everything like that. I mean, I've been doing that sort of stuff for the past few years anyway, but this is sort of like the official rebrand for it, if you like. You may wonder why the rebrand, why am I doing this? So the channel has been called It's Watson for the good part of like 8 or 9 years. Over that time I've done numerous amounts of content, styles such as gaming videos, which didn't go too well.
Whoa, knocking normal. Oh right, yeah, that's cool.
I've attempted and tried vlogging. To be honest, went pretty well. Enjoyed that style of content.
I've got a wide angle lens and it's sick.
Something that I've always liked and always enjoyed and maybe not always made content on has been cars. From a very young age, I had an interest in cars, motor things. So what better thing to do than the content I create be all on cars? And I know you guys that are watching now enjoy that too, because for the last few years that is the style of content that I have been making. So as this video goes live, you will see some changes on the channel straight away. That'll be the name of the channel changing to Jack Talks Cars, which I think is a perfectly fitting name for this channel moving forward. And yeah, it's going to be good. I've got a load of videos already planned, some already filmed. I'm going to try and stick to content fortnightly. I'll get sort of into that more in later videos. So honestly, I cannot wait to get to work properly on bringing fresh content to this channel. It's going to be really good. I've started working with some companies already to bring some awesome videos out for you guys, and I've been working on some videos as well. It is going to be really fun. It's going to consist of me doing stuff on my own cars, such as my Mini John Cooper Works, which I'm driving now, which honestly, let's flick it into sport mode, knock it down. What a car. What an absolute car. Absolutely incredible. I've wanted one of these cars for so long, and I've nearly had this one a year now, and oh, I love it. I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but it's popping and banging away back there, and that is incredible. We've got a tunnel coming up. Let's just have some fun with this, shall we? Knock it down right into second. About to say, I absolutely love this car. I've also got my BMW Z4 still, which I've done some videos on in the past, and I'm going to be doing many more with that car as well. Absolutely love that car. It is brilliant. So some content coming on that soon too. And I've also now got a third car, which I'm not going to be keeping forever, but it's a little project, and it's going to make for some awesome content on this channel as well. I'm not going to say what it is just yet, but you'll find out very soon, because I think you guys will like it. The channel really is not going to be short of content. There is 3 cars that I've got to make videos on, and I'll also be bringing other stuff to the channel as well. Like, you know, I know a few people with different cars which are pretty cool, so I'll get some of those featured on the channel. So I really have got some good plans for this channel. I know I have not been uploading properly for the good part of like 18 months now, but along the way I have been working behind the scenes on this idea of completely revamping and rebranding the channel. and yeah, it is really going to be good. So I honestly think it is a really good decision. This video was basically just to bring a short, quick announcement to the channel on the rebrand. I didn't want to just change the channel name and you guys wonder what happened to Rich Watson or whatever. So if you guys are still watching and you've got this far into the video, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of the channel rebrand. And also let me know some ideas of videos you'd like to see on the channel, because it'd be really cool to get your guys' input as to what sort of content you'd enjoy. Would you like to see more of the mini John Cooper works? Would you like to see more of the Z4? You guys don't know what it is yet, but would you like to see more of the project car and more videos on that sort of doing it up, if you like, and all the problems with it? It's one of those cars where it's got a few different problems. It's not that bad, but it's one of those cars where you fix one problem and then another 5 appear. But that's all the fun of it, isn't it? Yeah, that's really all I've got time for in this video. I don't want to ramble on for ages. I don't want to make a really long video just to explain that the channel is rebranding. The content pretty much is going to stay the same as the content I've been doing for the last few years. It's just going to be more regular, and I'm going to be, you know, improving that content as well. So if you've liked what you've seen already in terms of the car content I've done, that is what it's still going to be, but it's just going to be a new and improved 2024 version, if you like, of that. Stay tuned, because very, very soon my first official video under the rebrand is going to come to the channel, and it's all going to kick off from there. We're going to just go 100 miles per hour. It's going to be mental. So much content is coming, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So yeah, with that all being said, thank you guys so much for all the continued support and watching this video. Drop a like rating if you like the sound of what is to come to this channel. And yeah, with that all being said, guys, I will catch you very, very shortly in the next video. There's just a Tesla pulling up beside me right now. Don't think you can make much good content on them. Catch you later, guys.